Hey, what's going on everyone? Today's November 23rd, 2021, and this is going to be a video to where I'm going to talk about some long-term plays that we're doing on this particular channel and being fully transparent with each and every one of you, showing you which stocks where we were looking to go up in price. We're going to dissect those stocks, do a quick review of them to see should we keep them in our portfolio or should we drop them and move on to another opportunity, because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you the stock that we're going to add today. So welcome to HueFin. Also known as HueFin News. This is the spot, the location to where we strictly look at the price and price only. We don't care about anything else, because everything else you cannot leave to a price. It doesn't give you a direct price as to how much these companies are worth or how much these stocks should be worth. It's literally open to what everyone's opinion is about the market. Well, one thing that you don't have in regards to price is you cannot have an opinion. The price is literally what it is. Is trading at, for instance, in Conduit, this chart right here, you can see that the price that it closed at was at $5. That's the price, right? It shouldn't be $6. It shouldn't be $4. No, the last trade in the market for Conduit was $5.97, right? So this is why we focus on price only. Everything else is irrelevant. So if you guys want to learn more, like I said, keep it locked in here. You guys are going to learn a whole lot from this particular channel. We're not here to give you a lot of fluff, a lot of fun, a lot of FOMO. If you want to take this seriously, then we're that location for you. All right. So first of all, let me show you the stocks first, right? And here it is. This is our portfolio on tip ranks. And you guys can tell, we got what, 5 stocks in our portfolio right now. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you all what the price has done against our prediction for these 5 stocks. And if it doesn't look good, we're the one to say, yeah, we'll cut it. We need to minimize the losses, because we're anticipating the market to continue to go down lower than where price currently is. We'll let it go. We understand that we're not going to get every play right. So let's go ahead and do that first. The first you guys can see is Conduit, right? Now, we're down on the play, almost 24% since we added it to our portfolio. So here it is right here. This is Conduit. And you guys can see the week of August the 9th was when we added this stock to the portfolio. And look at the performance. I mean, when you see how weak a market is, at some point you just got to say it's not going the way that I expected it to go. Rather than you coming in and saying that you're a long-term holder, long-term trader, which so many people do, it doesn't guarantee that your price is going to be higher than where you originally came into the market. This play is not going right. I mean, we had numerous weeks for us to see the price in Conduit go up. And this is the one right here that lets me know that, yeah, this market is not extremely strong. Now, we might get some more strength later on, and then we'll come back into the market and participate. But right now, this is a dead market. And you guys can even tell that I identified a support area around 6. Well, price is trading below that. And when these things happen, you got to say, all right, it didn't work out. So what I'm going to do on this particular play is I'm going to take it. It didn't work out. Take the loss on it. Because obviously the market doesn't want to go up. And we're not going to be in a position to try to force it to go up. If it doesn't want to go up, it doesn't want to go up. So it didn't work out on that particular play. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out. It didn't work out. Okay, so we're going to remove it from the portfolio. 23.74% loss right there. All right. So now let's go ahead and check out the next one with this GreenSky. GSKY is the ticker symbol. So here it is. You guys can see we added to our portfolio on October the 11th. Now, so far, everything looks pretty decent. I mean, it's not extremely strong. You guys can tell that we even identified where we would take some of the profit off the table, which is right here around $13.20, give or take. Now, we're there yet? No, we're not. But generally, we're still on course to allow GreenSky to go up in price. This is how you're able to do a very quick look into the market and not be concerned, not to be worried. We just come in, do a quick look. Yeah, it doesn't look too worrisome that we're anticipating the market to go lower because we're not trading around $10. Now, we saw the price closer towards $10, then we'll have to say, yeah, let's go ahead and change this up. But we're not there yet. So we're going to continue to hold GreenSky in this portfolio. So now let's take a look at Fusion Fuel Green, HTTO. Okay. So here it is. This is the market right now in Fusion Fuel Green. We've added this stock to our portfolio in July 19, 2021, and the market really hasn't been doing too much. Now, what we would like to have seen price in Fusion Fuel Green to elevate higher, but it's just hugging that support, right? So I'm not in a hurry. As long as the market in Fusion Fuel Green holds support, I mean, we're still in position to allow this price to go up, and that's pretty much what's been going on. So this play is turning out to be a very long play. So what I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to extend it out further and just simply wait. Now, if price broke $10, like we've seen a couple of weeks, but we came right back up above our horizontal line on support. So again, I'm still looking at it. Now, would I like to have seen price be a little bit stronger? Most definitely, but we're not seeing that yet. So we're just going to continue to hold it into our portfolio. We're not getting too much strength. The only time we saw strength was right here on the week of August the 9th, 2021. Now, I'm quite sure that I told everyone that you might want to take some of that profitability off the table at 16, which is like 8.25%. I'm quite sure I said that. You had to go back and look at that video to figure out, but I'm not necessarily sure. It's been so long, but I'm still going to hold this play in our portfolio. So I'm not going to change it. Just going to extend it out further in Fusion Fuel Green. And now the next one was Pilgrim's Pride. Okay, let's go ahead and check out PPC. So this is Pilgrim Pride, and you guys can see, yeah, we have our elevated strength. The market's not necessarily weak at all. This last week right here, the Pilgrim's Pride, the week of November the 8th, yes, it still lets me know that the market is trying to go up. Now we got $30. You guys can see that this is a profit area for us to come in and grab some profits, right? Right there around 30. We haven't hit it yet. It's about 7.84% profitability, but that's literally the first location that we can see the market get hit. Okay, so keep your eyes open on that. But generally, I'm still looking for the market in Pilgrim's Pride to go up, so I'm not going to change this particular market. You guys can see it's been a while. August the 30th was when we added it to the portfolio. So again, the plays doesn't always go fast. Sometimes it takes market time for it to elevate and go up in price, which seems to be the case for Pilgrim's Pride. So we're going to keep it there too. Now the last one is going to be the Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM. And look at this one. So we added this one to the portfolio on August the 30th, and price initially went down, but this is why we don't worry. We've already identified to where we was looking for the market to come in and hold support, and we came in and held support in TSM right there around 108. So we didn't have to let the play go because the price didn't break that to the downside. And since that time, price has been going up. So we're still on course to see price in TSM to go up. So yeah, we're going to keep that in the portfolio as well. See, 8 minutes into the video, we already reviewed 5 stocks. 8 minutes. And we already understand what's the current outlook for those stocks. We only took out one of them that we didn't like. It wasn't giving us what we was expecting it to do. So let me go ahead and show you the one that we're going to add today though. This one is going to be, ticker symbol is GLW, right? Corning Incorporated. Take a look at this market. Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? The market here in Corning has been in a pretty good substantive upward trend. Now for us, again, we're simply going to play where we're looking for the market to go and take the play out. We're not going to take the hold these for the next 25 years because there's no guarantee that the price is going to be up higher. Imagine the people who bought Corning right here in 2000 when price was at $111. Those same YouTubers on that particular day was telling people to hold the market in, well, even though YouTube was around then, but well, I'm not sure, 2006, I think YouTube came around. But let's say that YouTuber was on YouTube telling you all to come in and buy Corning at $112 and telling you to hold it for 5 years. Well, here it is, 21 years in, and we still haven't been up there. I'm telling you, be careful. So look at this. We're going to play the strength into the market in Corning, and for us, we play this on the long term. Right now, for me, long term simply means, you know, a couple of months, a year at least, and that's probably about it. I'm not looking for these plays to go on for the next 5, 10, 15 years. No. So take a look at this. We're going to play the strength into the market in Corning, and I already see a place that the market can give us some restriction. And it's about here. Okay, $39 and what, 77 cents, give or take. Now, I'm not looking for the market to just stop there though. But I just wanted to show you that we can see some weakness into the market and cornering there. Okay. This area here initially is going to be support. But I'm going to bring it down to 34. If we fall down to 34, it's going to be a very long time for us to see the play go up. I'm just going to give you the heads up on that too. Now, if we come down to 36, then it's going to be a lot quicker for us to see price in cornering to go up too. All right, so let's try to figure this out. So from a monthly perspective, I'm eyeing for the price to come up to around 42. Okay, that would be the first spot for us to try to eat off the market, 42. So I'm gonna bring that horizontal line up to around $42. Okay. Go ahead and get this right. So that's the first spot, 42. Second area is going to be around 44. Okay, so we got 42 and $44. All right. So let's play this on a weekly time frame. So I'm going to switch this back over to the weekly time frame into the market and cornering, so we can follow price. Now, I'm going to bring this in actually closer because I don't want us to continue to look at the value going all the way into 2022. Let's bring it out like to May. All right, so this is the play right here for cornering. We're going to add it to the portfolio. You guys can see the first spot is around 42. Second area is going to be up here towards like 44. Okay, so that's it. Let me go ahead and switch it over, add it to the portfolio. GLW. And we can actually see what the analysts here on TipRanks are talking about. Let's go ahead and run what, 50 shares, hypothetically. Let's do 50 shares. Okay, and there it is. Transaction has been recorded. So look at this. Let's see what the analysts are talking about. So we have what, 8 ratings, and we got 5 buys and 3 holds. Okay, not bad. The price target that they have is around 48. The highest is 54 8 months ago, 52, 48, 48. So we're a little bit lower than what they're anticipating. We got 42 and then 44, and they got 48. Okay, so yeah, not bad. We're pretty much in line with what they're trying to see happen into the month for, or the year for cornering. So I'm done. I mean, that's it. You guys can see the stocks that we are holding in this simulated portfolio, right? We got a total of 5 right now. Still looking at the other 4. One we took out because we didn't like, and the other ones we're going to continue to let the market work itself out and play out. This is how you're able to become more efficient, more understanding as to how the market works. You guys can tell we didn't talk about no EBITDA, we didn't talk about no earnings reports, we didn't look at the financials of the company, because you can't price those things. You would say that it's worth one price, and I would say that it's worth another price. The only thing we cannot negotiate on is where price has already been and where it's trying to go. All right, so that's it. Let me know any stocks that you guys think are a buy. Hit me up, drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.